monsoon makeup. What products you can use for monsoon makeup and products you can't use for monsoon makeup. It's very easy. We'll take you step by step, show you how with our Avon products you can create a beautiful look for yourself and look glamorous for monsoon as well. To begin with, obviously you see the face is clean. You can clean your face with a facial cleanser or whatever you use to clean your face. After that, I highly recommend that you use a toner which will balance out your oil control, and then your makeup will be fresh for longer. I'm using this Solutions Complete Balance Oil Control and Mattifying Toner. This will make sure that the skin is matte, the makeup stays for longer, and she can go out, enjoy in the monsoon, still her makeup is intact. All over the face, pat the toner, especially in the T-zone area, which is your forehead, nose, your upper lip and the chin. These are the areas usually there is a more sweating. For a lot of people, these areas are the problem areas. They sweat a lot, they have a lot of pimples, especially during summer and monsoon. And you will see, even after your skin is clean and if you use a toner, the toner goes deep inside and cleans the skin further. As you can see, Swati had just cleaned her skin. Her face was nice and clean, but still you can see there is a lot of dirt which has come out. So now Swati's skin is ready to put some makeup on. We will go on to our next step. So after we have applied the toner, now I'm going to use the Idol Luminous Avon Idol Luminous Dual Powder. Dual powder is best for summers and monsoon. You can use it as a compact and you can use it as a dual powder, which I will show you how to use it. The best thing about it is it keeps your skin dry for long. It keeps it matte, and at the same time it gives you just the right coverage and the finish which you need for a day monsoon makeup, and not too much. And your skin will look fresh for a much longer period. All you need to do is wet the sponge which is given with this and start applying. I generally try to avoid using a concealer for a day makeup like this, because then the base becomes heavier. If you have certain areas which need a little bit more than this powder, then you are welcome to apply a little bit on the top. So our next step after the dual finish foundation is the loose powder. Now if you have very oily skin, it's a good idea you can use the loose powder. But if your skin is already dry and it doesn't sweat a lot, you can always skip this step, because the dual finish powder has already got the powder, so it has done it. But for an extra step, for an extra coverage and to keep it long lasting, you can apply a loose powder also. About this kind of a weather, the colors which come in my mind are pink, fresh, floral colors, which keeps you looking fresh, and they just look nice and light on the eyes. So what I will be using for Swati today is more of light pink, mauve, shimmer, glitter, like a softer colors. So let's see. So the colors I'm using for my eyeshadow are from the holiday palette that I have. Pinks, nice shimmery light pink, and the pink which just look perfect for the summer afternoon. And I think they just look very, very fresh, and one feels fresh too. using Avon's Extra Lasting Eyeliner. Extra lasting because it's one very good for monsoon, waterproof, long lasting, so you will not have a smudged eyeliner. You can use it and forget about it for 8 hours or even more. So I'm going to be using the Extra Lasting Eyeliner as well as the kajal. Now I'm also going to use this liner underneath, just below where you put the kajal. The reason is so that your kajal does not smudge. This way, when we put the Extra Lasting liner, your kajal will have a border line, so it will not go beyond that. Once we have this eyeliner which we have put underneath, this will act as a barrier for the kajal not to go down. So it's a very good idea that for summer, for monsoons, you should do that. This way your kajal will not smudge, and it just lasts for much longer time. After the kajal, it's now turn for the mascara, and I feel no makeup is complete till the time you have nice and loads of mascara. But I understand if it is summer or monsoon, one always worries about putting a mascara for it to run out. So I suggest applying the Extra Lasting mascara, which will last you for hours and hours, and you will never have a problem of it running out. Our eye makeup is done and it looks very fresh, yet we have tried to enhance Swati's eyes as much because that's one of her beautiful features. Now the next step is to apply the blush on, and I feel that makeup, if you don't apply blush on, your facial features, the contouring is not finished. So it gives you a nice healthy glow. It gives you those contours which every woman needs on their face. So never neglect applying a blush on. Use the right color. I feel pinks, peaches, rose. These are beautiful colors which go with every skin type. So you must apply a blush on. The right way to apply the blush on is something which I will show you. But to give your makeup a complete look and to look healthy and glowing, blush on is a must. That extra glow that you need for your holiday or for the summertime. Here are the illuminating pearls from Avon, which you can put all over the face for that healthy glow, or you can just add on top of your T-zone, which will just add that extra glow to your face. After your illuminating pearls, you can use this shimmer from the holiday palette that I have and just add a little more glow on top of your cheeks, just above where you have put the blush on the T-zone. But just remember not to overdo this. There we are. You can see that the skin looks much more healthier and it's illuminating. Now it's time to add the final touch to our makeup, and that is a lipstick. Now as I said earlier, that we are looking at doing a very fresh day makeup. So I have used very light colors like pinks and peaches. So the color which I'm going to use for her lips is the Vitalicious Pink Boost, which will just give that extra freshness to her face. Along with that, I'll top it up with Ultra Rich Brilliance Lip Gloss that will just add that glamour to her face. So here we go, our look is complete. Swati is looking all nice, fresh and ready to rock.